Who is the real hero? A real hero in the contest of life in someone who embodies selfishness, courage, and dedication, often acting as a pillar of support or sacrificing for the greater good, while commonly referring to the character in stories, real life heroes of typical ordinary people who perform extraordinary acts of. Who is the real hero? A hero to me, a person who stick to the truth no matter what. It's someone who doesn't trade the truth for the power or to feed their greed. It's someone who will not lie for their advantage. It's someone who will fight justice. Who is the real hero? Analysis. Arjuna had structured and fair upbringing, while Karma was constantly suppressed and denied recognition, leading to this deep resentment. Karna was naturally stronger due to his divine birth, but his education and access to weapons were limited compared to Arjuna. Is Karna who defeated Krishna 7 times? No one defeated Lord Krishna 7 times. Rather, Krishna and Balaram defeated the powerful King Janardhana. Times battle after Krishna killed Karmasa, forcing Janardhana to retreat but leaving alive due to divine prophecy that he would die to Bhima's hand. Not Krishna, leading Krishna to later abandon Mathur Dwaraka to end endless conflict. Who are the four wives Arjuna? Arjuna had four wives. Drupada, the common wife of the Pandava; Subhadra, sister of Krishna; Chitragada, a warrior princess from Manipur; and Ulpidi, Naga princess. While he shared Draupadi with his brother, had separated union with other, each producing son, Yavat, Bhorvarna, Chitragada, and Ambika.